Today we're making braised pork shank. I bought the whole pork shank to braise today. First, clean it and cut it. For the thicker part, make a few extra cuts so that it cooks faster. We braise it in 2 steps. The first boil is to remove the pork's strong smell and any impurities. Put the shank in a pot with cold water. Starting with cold water helps remove blood and the impurities. Keep the meat tender and let it heat up slowly so that it cooks evenly. Add some cooking wine to get rid of the smell. Cover the pot and turn the heat to high. Meanwhile, slice some ginger and chop some green onion for later. After about 10 to 15 minutes, the first boil is done. Take the shank out and rinse off the surface again with water. Clean the pot, add fresh water, and put the shank back in. Again, starting with cold water. Add the ginger and green onions. Star anise whole in 4 to 6 pieces. Add a few Sichuan peppercorns. Pour in 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Cover, bring to the boil, then turn the heat down to low. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes. You can check in the middle. Use chopsticks or a fork to poke the thickest part. If it's still a bit pink inside, cook it a little bit longer. When the time's up, it should be fully cooked. Take it out. The meat should be springy and tender, and the skin soft. Ooh, it's hot, so let it cool a bit before slicing. When you cut it, you will see the meat is cooked through but still juicy, very soft and tender. Believe me, I really took a long time cutting it, but I will speed this part up because it's too hot. Now for a simple dipping sauce. Chop some garlic and put it in a small bowl. Pour soy sauce just enough to cover the garlic. Add a half of teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix it together and it's ready. Time to enjoy. Take a bite. The meat is perfect mix of fines and lean. The soy sauce is salty and savory, and the garlic adds a nice kick. Absolutely delicious.